Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. It's great to have you here. So in today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm currently traveling in Turkey, so I went shopping to Beymen, which is basically the Turkish version of Saks Fifth Avenue or a similar store. Now, before you go any further, no, this is not the fake Turkish stuff that you see quite often when it comes to, I do not know, shopping in Turkey, etc. Beymen is actually a legitimate store which sells legitimate luxury, authentic luxury goods. And as I mentioned before, I often go shopping when I go traveling because where I live, I do not live close to many boutiques or shops or things of that nature. So when I travel, I always use that opportunity to shop. As per usual, I'm going to link all of the items in the description down below, and I'm also going to include all the prices that I paid in Turkey, the prices for the same items in the US online market, and the prices for these items in the EU online market. Now, keep in mind one more thing. I'm actually going to get tax-free or duty-free. I'm going to get the taxes back on all of these items before I actually leave Turkey, so there is going to be some additional saving for me there. By the way, I also filmed a shopping vlog when I was shopping in Beymen. So I'm going to link the part 1 of that shopping vlog right here. And I'm also going to link the shopping vlog. I divided it into 2 parts. So I'm going to link both parts in the description down below. But for now, without further ado, let's go ahead and actually see the items that I bought. Alright, before we go any further, let's actually start with this small bag from Swarovski. So I also went to a small Swarovski store in that particular shopping center where I was shopping, and I picked up something there. This item probably will look quite familiar to you because I have a couple of very similar items and I often wear them in my videos. So let's go ahead and see what it is. So I am a big fan of actually Swarovski packaging. I mean, just look how nice this box actually looks. I think their brand identity is really quite on point, and to me at least, it looks very attractive. Okay, let me just move this. So, and inside this box, we also have this plush insert that is also pink, and you can see a pair of hoop earrings. So these are crystal hoop earrings from Swarovski. I have a couple of similar pairs, and I'm going to maybe put some screenshots up here. But the pairs that I have are in a couple of different sizes, or sorry, in a couple of different colors. So one of them is just kind of this yellow, and the other one is a deep dark green. And I wear those hoop earrings quite a lot. So I decided to get another pair, which is similar but different. So these earrings are, well, first of all, in a different color. They are actually blue. Secondly, they are smaller than the hoop earrings that I have been previously wearing, and I wear them a lot in these videos as well. And they also open up and close like this, which, let's see if this is going to be comfortable enough for me. This version is smaller, and therefore they are a bit cheaper than the other crystal earrings that I always wear. And also on the back, they actually have the metal backing and not the crystals. So let me see how I get on with these earrings. I just wanted to have something similar but in a different color because I'm quite a fan of these type of earrings. They are quite large. They make a very nice statement. I think they are an easy addition to any outfit. And I just basically wanted to add another color, another hoop earring to my wardrobe. And once again, these ones, though, are not fully crystal earrings. They have crystals on the front, and then they have the metal backing, and they open up like so. So I got myself a pair of Swarovski crystal earrings to add to my costume jewelry collection. By the way, my name is Lisa, and I'm your guide to savvy luxury shopping no matter where in the world you are. Subscribe to my channel to learn more about strategic luxury shopping with the emphasis on quality and timelessness of your items. So we are on to my purchases at Beymen. And actually, let me go ahead and go by brand, so one brand at a time. So I'm going to start with the big box right here. Now, surprisingly, I actually bought quite a few items from the same brand, and you will see what that brand is later. But for now, I'm actually going to go ahead and show you an item that I got from Loewe. So I got a piece of ready-to-wear from Loewe, and I think this is actually my second piece of ready-to-wear from that particular brand. It is an oversized, or at least I feel like it is an oversized button-up shirt with stripes in this kind of lilac color. The shirt was on sale, and I'm going to include the original price as well as the sale price. And if I can still find this shirt online, I will actually link it down below as well. The size that I got is actually size 34. I believe it is French sizing, correct me if I'm wrong. But to be honest, I was really quite surprised because I never wear French size 34. I'm usually French size 38. Sometimes it is French size 36, depending on the item. This shirt, however, was really quite oversized, and so I did buy it in size 34. It has a white collar, which is different from the rest of this shirt, and it does have Loewe monogram here towards the bottom right there. So one of the reasons that I actually bought this shirt is because I really tend to wear a lot of button-up shirts. I mean, the case in point, I'm actually wearing a button-up shirt right now, and I really feel that they are very easy to style. They are kind of easygoing, they can also elevate your outfit, and sometimes when I really do not want to think about what I actually want to wear, I just put on a pair of jeans and a button-up shirt, and somehow I actually feel pulled together and I feel like that outfit actually works. I also did notice that a lot of button-up shirts that I have are actually white. Now, I think they're all different because all of them have a twist, all of them are just a little bit different in nature than the other one. But given the fact that I seem to have so many white button-up shirts, I thought it would be a good idea to just kind of expand the color palette and also purchase this lilac or purple stripy cotton shirt from Loewe. So this is my ready-to-wear purchase from my shopping at Beymen, and it is a Loewe button-up shirt. Oh, by the way, another thing is this is 100% cotton. I always check, well, almost always check fabric composition of the items when I buy them, especially when I get them on sale, just because I do not want to make the wrong decision. And fabric composition is super important to me. So I always look for natural fabrics first. So obviously a button-up shirt like this, should be a cotton shirt or a linen shirt. I would be looking for something that is a natural fabric. So I'm really quite happy with that. So I have three more items to show you, and all of them are from the same brand, and the brand is Miu Miu. So, I actually don't have anything else from that brand, but as you probably know, Miu Miu has been really trending recently. It has been so popular, I would say, for the last year or so. And when I saw a number of Miu Miu things in Beymen, I was really tempted to actually try them on. So I picked up a couple of pieces, and I just really wanted to see how this brand is going to work out with my existing wardrobe. But generally speaking, I had a very positive impression. I felt that a lot of pieces that I was looking at were very well made, were just kind of really fun. I really liked the colorways. So far, my experience with Miu Miu has been really quite positive. So let's look at the first item that I bought. Okay, I got myself a pair of sunglasses from Miu Miu. I do like to get, oh, look at this box actually. I'm really quite a fan. I really like the writing here of Miu Miu. I like the pink color as well. So I like to buy a fun pair of sunglasses because I think, and actually spoke about it in one of my videos, sunglasses can easily elevate an outfit. And if you want to add something special or maybe a pop of color, sunglasses are a great way to go. So just per packaging, we got the box here. We also have a bag. We also have a bag, I guess that could be used for the sunglasses. I do like this because it means that the sunglasses can actually go into maybe a smaller handbag that you have, because you don't always have to carry this big case with you. So that's nice. There's, there's a cloth included as well, plus some paperwork. So these are some items. And this is the pair of sunglasses. So they come in a sunglass case like this, which also feels very nice and plush. And I got a pair of burgundy red Miu Miu sunglasses with gold detail or gold hardware. So let me kind of try them on right now. I thought that these sunglasses actually felt quite comfortable. I tried on a number of different pairs when I was at the store, and some of them just didn't feel like they sat on the face very well, but these ones feel really nice and tight, but not too tight. I also do not have a pair of red sunglasses, so I thought that, well, hey, maybe this could be a way to actually diversify my sunglass collection. And once again, as I mentioned, Miu Miu is kind of trending right now, so maybe it would be fun to have this Miu Miu monogram or Miu Miu logo on the side of these sunglasses. And burgundy is a big color this season as well, especially going into the fall. So I'm hoping that I'm going to get a lot of wear out of these sunglasses come fall months. So this is my first purchase from Miu Miu. I got myself a pair of these burgundy dark red sunglasses from them. Okay, Miu Miu purchase number 2 is actually a pair of shoes. And let me tell you, they are really comfortable shoes. I was so incredibly surprised. Because when it comes to designer shoes, sometimes we go for the looks instead of the practicality and the function. I almost stopped wearing high heels just because I cannot stand it anymore. So when I shop for shoes, I mostly look for flats, maybe sneakers, or maybe a heel that is medium and much more bearable. So I saw these shoes and I decided to give them a try, and I was once again so pleasantly surprised. So once again, we've got the pink box from Miu Miu. Let's open that up. There is a lid, and we've got a pair of shoes like this. So these are Miu Miu pumps that are kind of this ecru white color with a black nose, I guess, for lack of a better word. They do have a strap in the back and also a strap here in the front. So they really look like very popular Mary Jane shoes that are trending right now. They've got this medium size block heel, and there is a brand name Miu Miu written at the bottom of the heel. Now, do they look like Chanel shoes? Absolutely. I mean, I know it almost seems like brands or designer brands do not really care anymore, and they produce a lot of stuff that looks very similar. But in the absence of a Chanel boutique where I'm at right now, I thought that this were a great option. I do like this color combination because it is very classic, right? So they're going to go very well with anything that is black, anything that is white, and also pretty much anything that is kind of a neutral outfit in a sense. I also like this heel. Obviously, it is a very stable heel. I don't even need to say anything. They do give me a little bit of height, a little bit of elevation, but nothing overbearing. I do realize that the front strap right here might actually make them look a little outdated a couple of seasons later, but let's see how things go, because aside from the front strap, I do think that these shoes look very classic in nature, and I hope I will be able to wear them for a very long time. But if you can see on the inside, the shoes are actually cushiony, very, very cushiony. They are completely made out of leather, and there is kind of some cushioning included on the inside. And I think this is something that actually makes these shoes incredibly comfortable. I was, very surprised and very pleased with that fact. So that's also one of the reasons why I bought these shoes. I drive a lot, and if I'm not driving, I feel like I tend to walk a lot. So I feel like these shoes are going to be actually really quite versatile. Oh, by the way, I also bought these shoes in size 39. When it comes to heeled shoes, I mostly wear size 39 and a half, but I think because these shoes are actually so comfortable and the heel is not very high, the size 39 was just fine. By the way, they also feel wide enough. I feel like I actually have really wide feet, and sometimes it's difficult for me to actually find a pair of shoes that's basically not just squeezing my foot to death, and these ones felt really comfortable. So for these reasons, I decided to go ahead and give these shoes a try and see how they work for me in my wardrobe. Okay, we are on to my last purchase from Miu Miu, and this is actually a handbag. Now, if you might remember from some of my previous videos, I have been on a lookout for another summer bag. So a bag that I could actually take to the beach or to the pool, or maybe a bag that I could travel with. Now, currently, I do carry my Rive Gauche tote from Saint Laurent a lot in the summer, and I think just I'm getting a little bit tired of wearing the same bag, especially when I go to the beach and especially when I go traveling. So I wanted to have an alternative and perhaps also something that would be actually easy to pack, like a flat bag as opposed to maybe a tote or maybe a wicker bag, which requires a little bit more care. So I was walking around the store looking at the different things, and I actually saw this bag from Miu Miu, and I really felt like I had to have it. That would be exactly, or the bag is exactly what I'm looking for when it comes to another summer bag. So this is a dust bag, and this is my summer bag from Miu Miu. I know it is fairly simple. It is just a canvas bag with a couple of handles, but for the purposes of what I actually need, I think this bag is perfect because it could be easily packed. It would be completely flat in a suitcase. Nothing would actually happen to it. And a tote like this is perfect for the summer, for a beach, for a pool, and for maybe a day, I don't know, a day shopping and things like this. If I wanted to, I could also travel with this bag. There is a bit of a problem in that case is that the tote is completely just an open tote. There is a zip pocket inside there as well. But I thought that for what I actually wanted to have, this bag was exactly the type of thing that I was looking for. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite item. And before you go anywhere, please watch this video next. This is my shopping vlog from the shopping center here in Turkey, or at least part one of that shopping vlog. So please head on to that video next. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye-bye.